In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Sceptre TV in case the light that is located under the Sceptre TV is blinking red. In this case, the TV will not work because it has an issue. This issue can come from different parts of the TV, so let me show you how to fix it without opening it. Start by unplugging the TV from the wall socket or from the power strip and let the cord sit. Then you're going to locate the button that is under the TV. Usually it's under the red LED. Mine is over here in the middle. Maybe yours is on the left side or on the right side. You see, if I zoom here, you can see there is definitely a button right there. And I want you to press that button during 1 minute. Although the TV is not plugged, this will drain the remaining power from it. So keep this button pressed during a full minute. Then go ahead and release it. Now, before plugging back the TV, I suggest you wait 5 minutes. Do not touch anything, just let it sit. After that, after 5 minutes, you can plug it back. But I suggest you do not use a power strip like this one, or maybe yours has a surge protector. Try plugging the TV directly into the wall socket instead. Sometimes those power strip can be the issue. So this is why we're doing this. We just eliminate one of the possible cause of your red light flashing. And now it's time to turn on your TV. Turn it on using the power button located under the TV. Do not use the remote control. Hopefully this will solve your issue and you'll be good to go. If this didn't work and your TV still has that red LED flashing and nothing is happening, well, unplug the TV from the wall socket again. On the back of the TV, unplug every single HDMI devices and cable that are connected. Here I have a Chromecast, but maybe you have a Roku TV, an Apple TV, PlayStation, whatever. Just unplug everything. After doing this, go ahead and connect the TV back into the wall socket, turn it on, and see if it works. If it works, connect back each HDMI cable one by one. So connect one, then check and see if the TV is still working, then connect the second one. This way you're going to find the one that is causing an issue. Sometimes one of these devices or one of the HDMI port is causing this problem. If nothing changed and the TV still has that red LED blinking, I suggest you take the remote control of the TV and all the other remote controls from the other devices that are connected to your TV. So a Roku stick, Chromecast, again, maybe your Apple TV remote control. Take those remotes, remove the batteries, and then press this power button during 30 seconds. Again, this is just so we drain all the remaining energy from the remote control. After 30 seconds, remove your finger, and I suggest you press very hard on each button because sometimes one of these buttons has some residue, some dust, some dirt that is trapped under it, and if one of these buttons is not making contact properly, it can affect the whole remote control. So go ahead, press very hard just to try to dislodge whatever was stuck. Then put back the batteries, and I suggest you use brand new batteries because again, this could be one of the issue causing this problem. Even if you have still a bit of juice left in your batteries, if they're not full or almost full, some remote control won't work properly, unfortunately. Okay, now once you're done, go ahead, power on the TV, and if it's not working, try to do the same exact thing I just showed you with the other remote controls of the devices that are connected to your TV. Now, if nothing is working that I just showed you, the problem could be a hardware problem where you cannot simply fix it without opening the TV. There's many different components making a TV, and many of them, when they're failing, can cause this red blinking LED. It could be the main board that you need to replace, and in this case you can go on eBay, there's a bunch of them, and hopefully it does not cost too much because most of the time it will be just cheaper to trash the TV and buy a new one, unfortunately. It can also be the power board that has failed. In this case it's a bit cheaper than the main board if you're trying to search for a used one, But since we're not sure what is causing the problem, it's a trial and error, and you can end up spending money on something that you don't necessarily need. So I highly suggest you find a technician or somebody who knows how to fix these stuff if you intend to invest some money into repairs. I hope one of these tricks was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.